What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. All right, y'all already know how I do. I get straight to it, but first I want to let you guys know that anything in this video, previous videos, or future videos is all for educational purposes only. All right, of course, I'm not telling you to do any of these things. All right, disclaimer. Cool. Now that we got that out the way, let's get to it. The reason that you clicked on this video is because, of course, you want to learn how to remove all or any negatives from your credit report. All right. Now, you guys already know that I made a few videos and some of which are literally in-depth, step-by-step, exactly what you should do if you want to go the factual disputing route for credit cleaning. There's a lot of different methods that you can use. All right. You guys know I'm a firm believer of mindset of abundance. Okay. So you can use factual disputing. All right. You can use Metro 2 compliance. You can also use consumer law. All right. It's arbitration. It's a lot of things that you can do. Now, for the sake of this video, I want to add something that is very, very, very important in today's time to those videos or any other processes that you're already doing. All right. Now, you guys can look around and kind of see that most content creators, especially in the financial space, are on literally everything that we do on this channel. Okay, which is perfect. That's the exact reason for this channel. Okay, so from getting funded 100,000 in a certain amount of days. Some people say 90, some people say 100, some people say 6 months, whatever they do, right? Also the credit cleaning aspect, right? That is perfect. That's exactly what we want. So I thank you guys for constantly sharing these videos. I ask that you continuously share them. All right, and thank you for the support as well. Now, what I want to add to the credit cleaning space is one of the most important things, and please do it this way, okay? One of the most important things that you need to do after you send your personal information update form, okay? And remove all of the old addresses, all of the old names, things like that, all right? After you suppress the secondary bureaus, is it mandatory? No. Will it increase your results? Yes. That's what we want to do. Okay, so after you suppress the secondary bureaus, the LexisNexis, the CoreLogics, the ARS, SageStream, right? After you suppress them and you begin to send your letters of dispute, okay? When you send those letters, you guys know that you need to send them priority mail or certified mail return receipt, okay? Now, not only do you want to send it to have record of what you've done, right? Because you want to have proof in what you did. If you just go and print out a letter or whatever type of letter and then put it in the post office box and get sent, you don't have any proof, right? Not only do you not want to do it that way, but you also don't want to just send it certified mail and have the receipt, but not know what to do with the receipt. Okay? Yeah, you sent it. Yeah, you have your proof that you sent it, but now what? All right. So the reason that you do it and what you want to do with that is you want to use the CFPB to your advantage. Okay. The CFPB is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and you want to use them to your advantage because they actually govern the credit bureaus. All right. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, consumer, you and I, right? We are consumers. They govern the credit bureaus. Okay, so because they govern the credit bureaus, meaning they make sure that the credit bureaus are doing what they're supposed to do, because the credit bureaus are not a government company or anything like that, right? So they have to be governed just like everyone else. So the CFPB does that. So once you go on their website, what you want to do is you want to file a complaint with the CFPB. All right. After you sent that first letter, you have to give them 30 to 35 days. You got to take the weekends for an account, okay? So if you send it on the Friday, probably 35 days. If you send it on the Monday, probably 30 days, all right? So you want to give them at least 30 to 35 days before you were to file this complaint. But after that, start filing the complaint. I don't care what they send you back. I don't care if they send you back something that say verified. I don't care if they send you back something that says, here's a record of all your financial statements and da-da-da-da. I don't care if they don't respond. I don't care if they, what else they do? I don't care if they take off your inquiries and you ask them to take off derogatories, and I do not care what they do. Take what they give you, keep it for your record, okay? filed the complaint on the CFPB website. You can Google Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or you can literally go to, I forgot what it was. I think it's consumerfinancial.gov or something like that. All right. I usually just go to Google, CFPB, boom, come right up. All right. Very easy, very simple. Now, once you file the complaint, the reason that certified mail, that priority mail that you sent on that receipt is important is because you want to take the tracking number from that receipt. Okay. Take the tracking number from that receipt after the 30 to 35 days and upload it to the CFPB when you're filing your complaint. All right. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. Once you update everything, you can literally see the discrepancies and things like that. It's very simple. They're going to ask you a few questions. You want it deleted, of course, right? It's very simple on exactly what you need to do. But they're going to give you a box, all right? It's going to basically say, like, resolution, or, what do you want us to do? Contact, what's the reason, right? The first thing that you need to put in there is the tracking number, okay? Because no matter what you say throughout these complaints, this is something that you need to know. So if you have made it thus far in the video, drop 100 emoji in the chat, all right? Drop the 100 emoji in the chat, because this is the sauce right here. Once you, on anything that you're filing a complaint for, the first thing it needs to be is the tracking number, okay? Because the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, yes, they will govern it for you, but they will not do the investigation for you. Y'all understand that? They will help you. They will do what you need them to do, but they will not do the investigation for you. All right? When you send in that stuff priority mail, certified mail, you have the tracking number. So once you've already waited the 35 days, you already know that you've already done the investigation. So don't leave out the results of the investigation or the things that you have on your side for the investigation. Don't leave that out. So the first thing that you need to do is put the tracking number in there, right? Put it in there, and then you do your complaints. Guess what? All they have to do, get the complaint, read it, put in your tracking number, voila, all right? A lot of things can and will be removed off of your credit report, all right? So don't forget, drop the 100s in the chat, and also send these videos, man. Share these videos, all right? If you know somebody with bad credit, if you know somebody that needs any type of help, you know somebody that needs some value, you know somebody who can use some help cleaning people's credit, send them this video, man. Let's go. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video, man. Oh, I do have another announcement. Please, please, please stay tuned. I do have another announcement, but I'll probably drop that video sometime tomorrow, maybe later on today. Who knows? All right. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video, man. I hope you guys have a great day. Let's get it.